I want to break into the house. So they moved their things, but I can't rob the house anyways. What happened to the place? Oh shit! God, it's a tornado! I'm gonna get in my garage to get my freaking things. Woo! Get my Don. Severe thunderstorm. There we go. Let's go. There's a storm! Oh, that's purple! Purple tornado. Hurry! Oh my gosh! It's El Reno! No! My deploy it's not gonna work! I'm getting slid! I'm sliding!